What if the biggest business opportunity isn't the one that sells the most, but the one that keeps more of each dollar it earns? Imagine generating $1 million in revenue. But how much actually remains after costs? Two businesses can have identical revenues yet completely different economics. One might sell physical products, needing inventory and employees. Another might offer software, needing much less overhead. Revenue shows the size of the machine, while margin reveals how efficiently that machine turns sales into profit. Today, we'll explore 10 business models that can have high profit margins, depending on their model. First, let's examine software and micro-SaaS. This sector is captivating due to low delivery costs once the product is developed. Consider a company that provides appointment scheduling for clinics. Once developed, every new subscriber incurs minimal costs. However, development, acquisition, and retention still demand attention. High potential margins come with high expectations. Next up are digital products. These include templates and educational guides. Unlike physical goods, they can be replicated endless times without additional manufacturing costs. Imagine a freelancer creating a budgeting template after years of experience. The product is digital, yet it requires thorough research and support to be valuable. Now let's explore specialized consulting. Businesses pay for expertise to solve specific problems. If a company struggles with inefficiencies, a consultant can pinpoint and fix bottlenecks. Consulting carries limitations. Reputation and client acquisition are crucial for lasting success. Professional services follow closely. Think bookkeeping or legal services. Minimal inventory equals more focus on skills and client relationships. However, these professionals must remain compliant and maintain strong reputations for success. Then we have online education. This includes courses and certification programs. A designer might create a structured online course, allowing them to package valuable knowledge. Still, production and marketing costs can add up. Niche recruitment is another overlooked model. Companies may pay to find specialized talent, like tech or healthcare professionals. Success relies on relationships and expertise rather than inventory. Next, let's discuss digital marketing agencies, which can thrive with improved efficiency. Specializing in one service makes it easier to position effectively. However, expenses for tools and client acquisition still exist. Licensing and intellectual property provide unique revenue streams. Owning something valuable allows others to use it. Think music or software licenses, but remember the importance of protecting your creations. Next, premium information and research services can command high fees for helpful insights. Businesses value accurate, filter-rich reports that drive better decisions. This requires precision and credibility, not manipulation. Lastly, automation and AI services help businesses streamline repetitive tasks. A small company may hire an automation expert to save time and resources. This isn't just technology, it's optimizing workflows. These 10 models share key characteristics supporting stronger margins, low variable costs, specialized expertise, recurring revenue, scalability, and strong customer value. Yet, high margins don't guarantee easy money. Gross margin differs from net profit margin. Even thriving companies may find expenses dramatically reduce profits. When considering a business, ask these 7 questions. What problem does this solve? Who has this problem? How painful is it? What will customers pay? What are delivery costs? Can you maintain a subscription model? How can you prevent costs from outpacing revenue? New entrepreneurs should consider their skills and market knowledge before diving in. To summarize, look for an expensive problem with a valuable solution, lower delivery cost, a repeatable system, repeat customers, and healthy profit. The biggest takeaway? Don't chase revenue alone. Understand the economics that drive it. If you enjoy analyzing businesses and economics, subscribe to Finance Flow. Which of these 10 businesses would you investigate first? As we dig deeper into the world of high-margin business models, remember that success is not solely about initial gross revenue. Understanding the economic structure underlying your chosen model is vital. High margins often come from deeply understanding a target market and delivering persistent value that customers appreciate. Consider the concept of subscription-based services, which have gained tremendous popularity due to predictable revenue streams. This model not only enhances customer retention but also simplifies financial forecasting. Imagine a fitness app. Users subscribe monthly, ensuring consistent cash flow while providing access to evolving content. However, as with any model, maintaining user engagement is crucial to prevent churn and uphold profitability over time. The next emerging model to consider is affiliate marketing, where businesses can earn commissions by promoting products or services through their platforms. This approach requires minimal inventory and overhead, allowing for higher profit margins. For instance, a blog dedicated to technology reviews can link to various products. If readers purchase through those links, the blogger earns a percentage. However, this strategy demands strong content creation and audience trust, as credibility is vital in driving conversions. Building a community around the brand enhances effectiveness and increases engagement levels, leading to sustainable profitability. Next, let's consider the impact of e-commerce businesses focusing on niche markets. They can thrive by catering to specific audiences, reducing competition and administrative costs. By carefully selecting products that resonate with their target demographic, these businesses can achieve remarkable profit margins. Think of a boutique store online, showcasing curated items for cat enthusiasts. Lower overhead and passionate consumers create a winning combination. However, effective marketing and a strong brand identity are pivotal in standing out in the crowded online retail space. Building a strong brand identity often involves storytelling and establishing an emotional connection with consumers. When customers resonate with a brand's values and mission, they are more likely to become loyal advocates. This can lead to repeat purchases and recommendations, amplifying the business's reach without significant additional costs. Moreover, integrating customer feedback into product development can further enhance satisfaction and drive a deeper loyalty. By prioritizing authentic engagement and crafting narratives that align with the audience's interests, businesses can create a compelling presence that not only boosts revenue but also fosters long-term profitability. As we continue to navigate the landscape of high-margin business models, it's essential to acknowledge the importance of innovation and adaptability. Businesses that can swiftly pivot in response to changing market trends or consumer preferences often maintain a competitive edge. Take, for instance, a digital platform that evolves its offerings based on user feedback. This responsiveness elicits trust and fosters a loyal community. Additionally, exploring partnerships can open new avenues for growth while sharing resources and reducing individual costs. By building strategic alliances, businesses can leverage each other's strengths, gain exposure to new audiences, and enhance overall profitability. Ultimately, embracing a mindset of continuous improvement and collaboration can significantly amplify a business's potential for sustainable success. Next, we turn our attention to service-based businesses that thrive on high touch and personal interaction. These enterprises, such as coaching or personal training, depend heavily on the relationships they build with their clients. Success hinges on trust, understanding client needs deeply, and offering tailored solutions that foster long-term engagement. Importantly, maintaining energy and passion for the service is crucial, as the business reputation often hinges on individual performance and satisfaction. The promise of transformation can inspire client loyalty, impacting both retention and referrals significantly. As we dive deeper into these diverse business models, it's essential to recognize the nuanced interplay between innovation and customer value. For example, take the case of a subscription box service that curates unique items for enthusiastic hobbyists. By leveraging personalized experiences and creating anticipation for each delivery, the business not only increases customer satisfaction but also fosters lasting loyalty. This engagement is critical, as customers feel they are part of a community and are more likely to renew their subscriptions and recommend the service to others. Balancing creativity in product selection with efficient operational strategies could lead to remarkable profit margins while ensuring a memorable customer journey. Consider how luxury goods operate within high-margin models, where exclusivity and branding play crucial roles. A designer handbag may cost a fraction of its selling price to produce yet commands premium prices due to its perceived value. The allure of status and identity drives consumer interest, translating into impressive profit margins. However, this model relies heavily on maintaining brand integrity and consumer perception. To sustain momentum, brands must innovate continually while preserving the essence of what makes them desirable. Such balancing acts can define the longevity and success of luxury business ventures. Lastly, let's explore the world of influencer partnerships, where individuals leverage their social media presence to promote brands, products, or services. This model relies heavily on establishing a personal connection with the audience, as trust plays a pivotal role in driving conversions. An influencer may collaborate with a skincare company, sharing their genuine experience while showcasing the product. However, the cycle of content creation and maintaining authenticity can be demanding, requiring continuous effort to engage followers and sustain profitability over time. In conclusion, navigating the landscape of high-margin business models is not merely about revenue, but about understanding and mastering the economics that propel them. By focusing on delivering exceptional value, cultivating meaningful relationships, and maintaining adaptability, entrepreneurs can thrive in competitive markets. Ultimately, the key lies in smart positioning and genuine engagement.